The Helium 10 mobile app is crucial for Amazon sellers, but requires secure logouts to protect sensitive e-commerce data like sales figures and competitive insights. Navigate to the app's menu, typically a hamburger icon or profile tab. Select Settings or Account from the options. Choose Log Out and confirm your selection with a tap or biometric scan if enabled. Logging out terminates your active session, clearing the session token and preventing unauthorized access. Always log out after use, especially on shared devices or public Wi-Fi. For added control, enable remote logout via the Helium 10 web dashboard. Helium 10 has enhanced its mobile app security in recent years. Key features include biometric authentication, automatic logout settings defaulting to 30 minutes of inactivity, and synchronization across devices. When you log out, the app now syncs this action across devices via Helium 10's cloud-based system. This also includes options to clear local caches upon sign-out. Always ensure your app is updated to the latest version to benefit from the newest security patches and features. Additionally, enabling multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, requiring secondary verification even when logging out. These measures help prevent unauthorized access and protect your valuable e-commerce data.